Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix speaking skills with Babbel easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your speaking skills using Babbel, start by downloading the app from your device's app store. Once installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the languages offered and select the language you want to learn. Begin with the placement test to assess your current skill level. After the test, Babbel will customize your learning path based on your results. Select a speaking-focused course or lesson from your personalized curriculum. Familiarize yourself with the lesson layout and objectives. Listen carefully to the native speaker's pronunciation in each lesson. Repeat phrases aloud, practicing intonation and rhythm. Use the speech recognition feature to receive instant feedback on your pronunciation. If you mispronounce a word, take note and try again until you get it right. Engage in dialogues provided in the lessons to improve conversational skills. Take advantage of the review sessions suggested by the app to reinforce what you've learned. Practice consistently by setting a daily or weekly schedule for your learning. Record your voice while practicing to track your progress over time. Engage with the Babbel community or language partners for real-life practice. As you advance, explore more complex topics to challenge your speaking abilities. Stay motivated by celebrating small achievements along your learning journey. Consistent practice will lead to significant improvements in your speaking skills. Follow these steps to make the most out of your Babbel experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.